dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis kada pulagi. Smart dishwashing paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World class quality.
ACS.
Daming gusto ako mawasak. Bakit di inom nagtutulong sa pagwala? Mag-Red Horse Beer, wag wasak. Ang bilib sa sarili, wag ibagsak. Ang galing ang dapat itulak. Wag padala sa daming talak. Hayaan mo silang pumutak. Sa katutak sa pangarap, wag i-park. Wag wasak, maniwala, magtiwala. Inumin ng tama. Wag wasak, tayo, sama-sama. Lakas ng tama, pero di wasak. Red Horse, extra strong. The number one, beer ito ang tama.
Drink responsibly. Balik-balikan ng swabing astig. Tamang astig. Lakas ng tama pero di wasak. Red Horse Beer. Drink responsibly.
Tuloy-tuloy ang papremyo dito sa MBC. Ito na ang bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. Libo-libong piso ang ipamimigay sa 8 weekly draws. At sa grand draw, may pagkakataon ka manalo ng 1 million pesos. Bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. Bumuhuna ng iyong mga entries. Ilagay sa isang malinis sa papel ang iyong name, age, address, phone number at pirmahan. Kalakip ang alinman sa mga required proof of purchase o POP ay ilagay ito sa loob ng white legal size envelope. Sa labas ng envelope, ilagay ang bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. Ang POP na ginamit at ang MBC radio station sa iyong lugar. At ihulog sa mga drop boxes na matatagpuan sa mga MBC radio stations, DZRH, Love Radio, Yes FM, Easy Rock at Aksyon Radyo. Mas maraming entries, mas malaki ang chance mong manalo. Kaya sali na! Bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. Brought to you by Pride Detergent, Unique Toothpaste, Shield Bath Soap, Charm Fabcon, White Rose Papaya Soap, Star Wax Floor Wax, Smart Dishwashing Paste. See posters or visit our Facebook page for details. Promo period is from January 7 to March 8, 2024. Per DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTEB 1826885 Series of 2023.
Usapang pang kalusugan by iCure Coffee. Kalusugan mo, protektado.
Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakitawin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax, the number one floor wax. Andaan waterproof formula. Sibukan man itinanom, nagsubliti sila pititatar.
Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max, max, max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World class quality.
ACS.
iCure 750 mg. Narito ang mga patunay sa mga gumamit ng iCure 750 mg.
Ako si Manilyn Realista, taga-poblasyon Bantay, isang guro. Madami na po akong ginamit na mga gamot, hindi pa rin gumagaling ang madalas na pananakit ng ulo at hindi ako makatulog sa gabi. Noong sumubok ako ng isang padlang ng iCure 750 mg, gumaling talaga ako at bumuti ang aking pagtulog. Nawala pa ang pananakit ng aking kasukasuan, kaya subukan nyo rin gumamit ng iCure 750 mg.
iCure 750 mg. 12 pesos lang. Bili na!
Charm Fabcon, makabloom sa tiyon. Walang amoy kulog, kahit sampay sa loob.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, makabloom sa tiyon. Walang amoy kulog, kahit sampay sa loob. Makabloom sa Charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Sa pagpili ng herbal food supplement, mahalaga na masiguro po natin na nakukuha ng ating katawan ang sustansyang kailangan para manatiling malakas at malayo sa anumang karamdaman. Mahalaga ang mga sangkap na nilalaman ng herbal food supplement na iniinom natin araw-araw. Ipinakikilala, Mark Capsule Herbal Food Supplement Plus C. Tulong-tulong ang mga sangkap ng Mark Capsule Food Supplement Plus C para protektado ang ating mga kasangga. Mag-Mark Capsule Food Supplement Plus C. Mabibili na sa inyong mga suking butika. Another quality product of Jmar Marketing.
Goodbye to meet my child. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labatan yan. Bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to meet my child. Hello, bright bar
tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Naglipa na ang mga papaya soaps. Napansin nyo ba mga girls and guys? Aminin, gusto nyo rin pumuti. Sa dinami-dami ng papaya soaps na makikita nyo sa groceries, may isang namumukod tanging White Rose Papaya. Mula sa White Rose, dahil hindi lang papaya extracts ang ingredient nito, meron ding vitamin B3. Nakikita ito sa mga mamahaling mga serums na kilalang nagpapabilis ng pagpapaputi ng balat. Kaya naman ang White Rose Papaya, clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days. With regular use, papaya puti, papaya fast. Yan ang White Rose Papaya.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pati virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bat Soap. Matay di 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believed by eksperto iti Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bat Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. Let's go, let's make it easy. GSM Blue Mojito. Tuloy-tuloy na ang kulitan with GSM Blue Kulitro.
Choose GSM Blue Mojito, now in new Cool Litro. Drink responsibly.
Your favorite GSM Blue Mojito, now available in 1 liter. Tuloy-tuloy ang kulitan with GSM Blue Kulitro. Drink responsibly.
iCured Coffee 18-in-1. Alam nyo ba na ang iCured Coffee 18-in-1 ay may sangkap na collagen, isang natural na protina na matatagpuan sa ating katawan. Ang iCured Coffee 18-in-1 ay may mataas na sangkap ng collagen. Ayon sa pag-aaral ng Baylor College of Medicine, kapag tumuntong tayo sa edad na 25 years old, dito nag-uumpisa na bumaba ang level ng collagen sa ating katawan na pwedeng magdulot sa atin ng wrinkles, pagluloy ng balat, paninilaw ng buhok, palalagas at pagnipis nito. Kaya ugaliin ang pag-inom ng iCured Coffee 18-in-1. iCured Coffee 18-in-1. Bili na!
Aksyon! Radyo!
Constipation, nasolusyonan sa paggamit ng activated charcoal capsule ng Doc Alternatibo.
Nakatulong ito lalo-lalo na kapag hindi maiwasang makakain ng mga karni o ano paman na at higit sa lahat kapag mahirapang magbawas. Ito yung iniinom ko at pagkatapos na ako makainom nito. Parang inuutusan niya akong pumaron na sa CR para magbawas. Pag sumasakit ang tiyan ko, iinom ako ng charcoal, nagbibigay ito ng lakas ng katawan. Ako si Rolando Gaspar, taga Maridos, Santo Niño, 65.
Pruweba sa kaepektibo ng activated charcoal capsule ng Doc Alternatibo. Mabibili sa Doc Alternatibo branches nationwide.
Sa Lawag City, matatagpuan sa General Segundo Avenue, Barangay 13, Bacara Road, National Road, in front Macdo, Bacara Road.
Para sa door-to-door delivery order, mag-message lang sa 0946-967-3211.
Bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. At narito ang mga proof of purchase of POP na pwede mong gamitin para sa iyong mga entries. 3 sachets of Pride Powder 40 grams or 1 pouch any size of Pride Powder or 1 wrapper of Pride Bar 400 grams or 2 wrappers of Pride Bar 100 grams any variant. 1 box of Star Wax Floor Wax any size, any variant. 1 box of White Rose Papaya Soap any size. 3 sachets of Charm Fabcon 30 ml or 1 pouch of Charm Fabcon any size, any variant. 1 wrapper of Shield Bath Soap 60 grams or 1 box of Shield Bath Soap any size, any variant. 2 sachets of Smart Dishwashing Liquid 50 ml or 1 pouch of Smart Dishwashing Liquid or 1 label wrapper of Smart Dishwashing Paste any size, any variant. 3 sachets of Unique Toothpaste 10 ml or 1 box of Unique Toothpaste any size, any variant. Sali na sa bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. See posters or visit our Facebook page for details. Promo period is from January 7 to March 8, 2024. Per DTI Fairtrade permit number FTEB 182685 series of 2023.
Si Mommy at si washing machine Believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Established in 1975 by the Rotary Club of Manila, the Tower Awards applaud the skills of blue-collar and white-collar workers who've made remarkable contributions. In recent years, a collaboration between the Rotary Club of Manila, PMAP, and DOLE aims to identify the cream of the crop in the Philippine workforce, innovative and inventive employees who strive to be triumphant from different industries. The Tower Awards celebrate not just individual brilliance, but also recognize jobs that play a crucial role in our country's progress. It's a nod to organizations putting their employees first, understanding the vital role of human capital in organizational success. This event is a celebration of excellence and innovation, setting new standards for the future of work, emphasizing the importance of quality and productivity. Recognize inventive and innovative projects of rank and file employees. At the TOWER Awards, we're cheering on each employee's greatness and groundbreaking ideas. Call for nominations are now open. For more inquiries, you may connect with Mavi Medrano at awards@pmap.org.ph with cell phone number 0945-8838453. The deadline for submissions is on March 1, 2024. So what are you waiting for? Push who you know the best.
Aksyon! Radyo!
Sa gitna ng bawat pangyayari at kaganapan, nakatutok ang Aksyon Radyo. Sa mga pangunahing isyu at usapin, tinatalakay at binibigyang linaw ng Aksyon Radyo. Ang mga matatamis at mapait na alaala na naging kabanata sa makulay na drama ng buhay, inilarawan ng Aksyon Radyo. Ang taos-pusong paglilingkod sa sambayanan nakaukit sa puso ng Aksyon Radyo. Ang Provincial AM Radio Network sa pinakamalaking radio network sa buong Pilipinas, Manila Broadcasting Company. Aksyon Radyo. Sa Lawag City, ang Aksyon Radyo DZJC 747 kHz sa AM band ng inyong mga pihitan. Member KBP, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Penong kakilyan, padaanan nyo ti programa tiyo si Kakyang Tilimpeg. With our suking abogado ay ti programa tiyo ni Atty. El Rene Kedris Castro, alas 2:22.
Ang bahaging ito ay atid sa inyo ng Doc Herbal Coffee 9-in-1, ang dating herbal coffee, pinabisa, pinalakas, pinasarap.
This time check is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Generica Drugstore, damang-dama. Pag ginhawang Generica, para sa ginhawang damang-dama mo, visit your nearest Generica Drugstore.
GSM Blue. Choose what's true. Choose GSM Blue.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Minsan sabaw na feeling. Call someone sweet and refreshing. Life refreshingly sweet with San Miguel flavored beer. Oh, let's bang araw at ang feeling ay sad. We don't like that. With friends you can refresh, so enjoy lahat. We all like that.
Maria's here. Make life refreshingly sweet with
San Miguel flavored beer. Enjoy the flavors of apple, lemon, and lychee with just the right beer buzz.
Life refreshingly sweet with San Miguel flavored beer.
Drink responsibly. Make life refreshingly sweet with San Miguel flavored beer. Available in apple, lemon, and lychee for only 38 pesos SRP per bottle. Drink responsibly.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ako si Celeste Sanchano, 29 years old at taga Bangged,
Live
Abra.
isunan?
Sa kasalukuyay isa akong medical staff. Bilang isang patient caregiver, madalas akong puyat, pagod at stress sa trabaho. Bilang resulta nito, halos mapabayaan ko na ang aking sarili. Nalilipasan ng gutom at nawawala na ng oras sa aking asawa. Laking pasalamat ko sa nagrekomenda ng paggamit ng mga iCare products. Kalakip ang kanilang iCare Supreme Coffee, iCare Capsule at lalo't higit ang kanilang Enjoy Capsule. Sa tuloy-tuloy na paggamit ko ng mga produkto ni iCure, nakita ko ang magandang epekto nito sa aking pangangatawan. Mas nagkaroon ako ng lakas, hindi lang sa trabaho kundi pati na rin sa aking asawa. Kaya't salamat iCure sa kumpletos ricados at epektibong produkto na hatid ninyo.
Daming gusto ako mawasak. Bakit iinom ng tutulong sa pagwarak? Mag-Red Horse Beer, magwasak. Ang bilib sa sarili, wag ibagsak. Ang galing ang dapat itulak. Wag padala sa daming talak. Hayaan mo silang pumutak. Sa katutak na pangarap, wag i-park. Wag wasak, maniwala, magtiwala. Inumin ng tama. Wag wasak, tayo, sama-sama. Lakas ng tama, pero di wasak. Red Horse, extra strong. The number one, beer ito ang tama.
Drink responsibly. Balik-balikan ng swabing astig. Tamang astig. Lakas ng tama pero di wasak. Red Horse Beer. Drink responsibly.
High blood pressure na solusyonan dahil sa pagpatak ng Doc Alternativo Fulvic Minerals sa inuming tubig.
So sa synthetic drugs, 4 yung minimaintain ko sa loob ng mahigit 20 years. Kaya nung mabalitaan ko itong Doc Alternativo, so sa ngayon, umiinom na ako nitong Fulvic Mineral na wala na ang synthetic drugs. Kaya maganda talaga itong Fulvic Mineral para sa high blood pressure. Ako po si Ed Panganiban, nakatira sa Santiago, Botolan.
Pruweba sa kaepektibo ng Fulvic Minerals ng Doc Alternativo. Ang Fulvic Minerals exclusive na mabibili sa Doc Alternativo branch.
Sa Lawag City, matatagpuan sa General Segundo Avenue, Barangay 13, Bacara Road National Road, in front Macdo, Bacara Road.
Para sa door-to-door delivery order, mag-message lang sa 0946-967-3211.
Manipot, iti number 1, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Gasta no Smart iti Dishwashing Paste at a double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing iti sebo ken bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal and plastic. Number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis kada pulagi. Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Sika Ken Tilinteg. Saan a biktima ti panagbalin nga ignorante itilinteg. Amwen ti kalintegan ditoy. TCJC Action Radio iti Sika Ken Tilinteg. Gaputa awan may laksid iti kawanam mo. Sika Ken Tilinteg. Iti kada Domingo alas 2 aging kay talas 3 ti malem. May sanga oras apan nakailawlawag dagiti linteg ken kalintegan babaen kariti legal experts. Sika Ken Tilinteg.
Dahil bagamalim kakailan mga kaaksyon sumangbay manem ti programa ti o Sika Ken Tilinteg ita malim mapagsisaritam ti o ti Magna Carta for Persons with Disability wanalinteg nga may tuyang ti benepisyo iti adda ti rangkap ti bagina dahi ti pilay pukol umel bulag ken dadungapay. Sa ludsod tayo anya dari ito'y benepisyo nga may pay kadikitoy kakabsat tayo nga dati rangkap ti bagina. Special edition ti programa tayo iti Domingo para iti selebrasyon ti Intellectual Disability Week with our suking abogado Professor ti Criminal Justice Education iti Northwestern University, Account Officer iti Development Bank of the Philippines, Attorney El Reneo Kedris Castro. Iti reto yamalem dito po ti imtay mapagsasaritaan iti maiped nga benepisyo kariti kakilyamteo kakabsabteo nga day tirangkap ti bagina in celebration para iti Intellectual Disability Week ay tinetoy nga bulan ti Pebrero. Good afternoon, Attorney. Thank you very much once again for giving us your precious time para iti programa ti DCJC Action Radio Lawag. Itinagam ni Station Manager Attorney Nick Malasig, ni Engineer Nino Kemas Cueta, and to'y pagami yun Axel Rolando Se with our guest ni Attorney El Rene Kidris Castro. Attorney, good afternoon. Okay. Attorney, good afternoon. Baka naka-off jay na.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon. Naka-off guy di dyan. So, actually, so that's the reason why nga nakasukat nak ng jakla kami amo no kasano nga i-mirror deto'y background ko. So, okay, so bear with us today. Then so, nagradyag gayam jaka mo nga kasano kasano i-adjust deti screen ta diti gayam ti Facebook page nagranyag tarupa kintang anyway nga isot ti
okay lang
basod
siguro
tayo
okay
nga buya kasi nagpudaw matlaw na iti lang kintoy screen yung anyway yung hangkas na iti Facebook iti Facebook live ko so yung makikita ka dyan so nagkaran dyan gamit anyway that's the reason why that's our background yung ating PAFID. Okay, or the Philippine Association for Diti at Naganan with Intellectual Disability. So dati kitang ko jakoy may tarusan Philippine Association for Intellectual Disabilities Incorporated. Wherein we are celebrating its week-long celebration kasi supposed to be to it started during last Feb 14 to February 2024. So nationwide itong celebration na to na with our team which is Inclusion for Empowerment. So marami na tayong naririnig na mga bata na mayroong tayong tinatawag na intellectual disabilities. So actually this is pursuant to Proclamation number 1385 designating the period February 14 to 20. Okay, this was started way back in 1975 and every year thereafter it is regarded to as Retarded Children's Week. So tayo siguro yung tanong ng iba, bakit tayo napunta rito? Okay, so yun ang question ng karamihan kasi bakit tayo we are involved into this kind of advocacy. So unang-una, we really have this background on special education. So bago tayo abogado, teacher din tayo. Okay, so teacher tayo sa college. But then again, I was really moved. Yung mga lagi kong nakikita pag when I am working at DBP, so lagi kong nakikita yung mga children with disabilities sa ating staff. Hindi ko na maalala yung ibig sabihin ng stock dito sa Lawag City. So sabi ko, how I wish that I somehow in the future I would be of help to these kids, especially their parents, di ba? So it's really mahirap talaga yung kanilang kalagayan lalo na sa mga pamilya na merong mga members nila that are that have disabilities, so including this what we call intellectual disability. So ngayon we just want to create awareness kasi unang-una yung tingin ng mga tao, di ba, it is a source of discrimination ito. Minsan yung mga mga people with disabilities, they are hindi sila parang shall we say na di sila nabibigyan ng tamang atensyon. Okay, so and worst thing is that they are also being discriminated. Parang napakasakit naman na di ba? meron na nga silang disability themselves, diba? Mayroon na nga disability. So aside from that, they are also discriminated. Okay, so moving forward, buti na lang meron na tayong mga batas that are providing privileges to these persons with disability. So, and hindi lang ngayon lang kasi tayo nagkakaroon ng awareness regarding this. Meron awareness of these laws. But then again, actually this disability, yung ating mga inclusive education, nag-start na yan in the past, matagal na rin ito. Kaya lang, hindi siya kasi, hindi siya ganun ka lalim ang pagkakaintindi ng mga tao regarding dito sa karapatan ng mga yung mga ano natin, diba, yung mga shall we say, ayaw ko kasing tawagin na yung mga with disability. So like us, they have equal rights under the law. So ang tanong ng iba, ano ba kasi ang kanilang, especially when it comes to education, we are advocating na in the future they should not be segregated in school. Okay, so although sabihin man natin na they have this disability with them, but somehow in learning they have to be given equal rights. Kasi nga yung ating 1987 Constitution, particularly Article 14, okay, so binanggit doon that the state shall protect and promote the rights of all citizens to quality education. All citizens, in-emphasize natin, walang distinction whether you are yung walang disability, you have a disability or not, we have the right to quality education at all levels and shall make appropriate steps to make such education accessible to all. So even our constitution, nire-recognize niya yan, yung ating yung karapatan ng lahat ng mamayan, including our persons with disability. Okay, so ito, pinatibay palalo ng Republic Act 11650. Okay, instituting now a policy, inclusion, and services for learners with disability in support of Inclusive Education Act. So, ano kaya kasi ang principles? Bakit kasi meron tayong mga ganitong hakbang? Okay, so unang-una, they believe na when a person, pag yan kasi ito yung prinsipyo ng inclusive education. Bakit kasi kahit na despite the fact that they have that disability with them, why is it that the government is still looking forward to have them included in our educational system? Siguro maraming mga tanong yan ng mga tao. Bakit kailangan pa nating pagtuunan ng pansin? So, unang prinsipyo dyan is principle of togetherness. Okay, that as much as possible, they should be part of our educational system. Okay, so dapat kasali sila sa ating educational system, starting with the principle of togetherness. Okay, so dapat yung ating learning environment should be all round, regardless of that yung kanila, all learners, I mean, okay, regardless whether you have that disability with you. So, unang-unang prinsipyo yan. Bakit talagang puspusan yung paggawa ng mga batas that these people should have been with disability should be protected under the law. Pangalawa, pinopromote dito ang principle of equality. Okay, that everyone, regardless that you have that disability with you, you have the right to access knowledge, skill, or information. Okay, so it guarantees educational rights for all children. So yan, equality dapat. And of course, when you talk about inclusive education, okay, yung ating mga with disability, this really based also on the principle of participation. Okay, na yung mga children, okay, they should have, regardless you have disability or not, you should have common educational settings. Okay, na you can learn together without discrimination at all. Okay, so walang discrimination. You should also there should be equal opportunities for all students, including those who have disabilities, for more active participation in school. And another principle, of course, is the principle of acceptance. Di ba? Yung ano kasi dito, di ba? Yung each parent, kahit sabihin natin, di pa ako parent. Okay, hindi pa tayo parent. But then again, every parent want this child or children to learn or educate with other students in a regular classroom. Okay, so that in the future they become independent, okay, to lead their life independently. Okay, so dapat may acceptance. And of course, etong mga tinatawag na there is what we call rejection kasi sa kanila. Okay, rejection ng mga persons with disability, especially yung mga children, di ba? Kasi yung disability na yan, nag-start yan while bata ka pa, nag-start na yan hanggang tumanda ka, dala mo yung disability na yan. So, as early as they are, nung pagbata pa sila, di ba? There is now what we call rejection of special classroom. Kasi nakikita natin na hindi binibigyang emphasis, okay, regarding sa mga needs ng mga special children, especially those with disability. Okay, so and lastly, we have this what we call there is no acceptance yet of individual differences. So, shall we say na magaling ka sa isang aspeto but you have disability in other areas? Kaya, you know, it saddens us na nakikita natin na these people with disability are being regarded as second-class citizen. Okay, so another principle na gusto nating na bakit we came up with these laws is actually to implement or to apply this principle of change. Okay, na we have to change now our educational system to meet the requirements of children, not only those who are mga yung walang disability, but also change of children, change of the school system or educational system to fit in to the needs of special children. So it is high time na we come forward, okay, that children with special needs, okay, na they are also they are not in a way different to us. Okay, na yung kanilang access to social services, the more na we provide them, okay, rather than disregard them. So hopefully today we will be able to educate hindi naman tayo magaling regarding this matter. Kaya lang kasi this is to a reminder to all of us na we have this obligation to big obligation to respect, okay, the rights of every individual, including those people who have disabilities. Okay, so they are still part of our society. So bago tayo sir, pwede ba akong bumati kasi kinukulit ako ng ating mga nurse. Okay, pwede ba sir?
Please go ahead, attorney, please.
Okay, so shout out. Tingnan natin si Elizard Valiente, si student ko 'yan. Actually sa abroad siya eh. I'm not particular, parang yata sa nasa Italy yata si Elizard, and also Rafi Tugawin of Banna, Cedric Paraino. We have also Julius Angelo of Solsona, and Christopher Tomas of Pidig, and Ralph Saniel Makatbag of Pawen. Dami nilang papa-shoutout actually. So kung hindi man ko kayo ma-shoutout today, hopefully I will be able to include you in our succeeding discussion. Di naman kasi pwedeng lahat ng ating dito is puro shoutout. Okay, sir.
Well, attorney, ako na po yung dagiti paglintigan involving dagiti adati banay iti bagida nga ububing wenno dagiti kasmet kanya tayo is for the promotion of togetherness, equality, and acceptance to society. And it's good to note that we are part of the advocacy for this purpose, not only for their protection, but also for their encouragement to agaspirar wenno agambisyon nga agparinmet nga may nga professional agas kumakanyayo bilang may nga abogado. Babayan ka rito tatang paglimtigam na nga mangitoyang kadakwada iti parehas metla ang benepisyo kasmet ka iti normal a klase iti atot tao. So may panggap ka rito naptang benepisyo wenno ito yang iti paglimtigam tayo. So anya dito special and a special attention given to them based on this law that is already being implemented involving these persons with disability at abogado for purposes of encouragement para kariti parents na itoy.
Okay, so una adati pagbabasaran tayo nga legal basis for inclusive education of these children with disability. So umuna dita is we have this Republic Act 11650. Okay, which it is an act instituting a policy of inclusion, okay, for inclusion and services for learners with disability in support of inclusive education. So that would also establish learning resource centers of learners with disabilities in all school districts. O yun, in-emphasize na in all school districts, municipalities, and cities, providing for standards, appropriating funds thereof, and for other purposes. So una yan. So pangalawa, we have also this Republic Act 3562, which is an act to promote the education of the blind in the Philippines. Ito, luma na actually. This was approved way back June 21, 1963. So pag tiningnan mo, meron nang abogado na nag-exam na blind siya. Okay, so gumamit lang siya ng braille system in order to answer. Meron pangang deaf. So can you imagine? So it's really how shall we say, I'm so happy to hear these stories na it does not there is no what we call wala nang kaibahan. Okay, so despite the fact that they have this disability with them, they are not they are accorded with yung mga batas na yung kanilang karapatan ay dapat nating respetuhin. Okay, that hindi dahil they have that kind of disability hindi natin pwedeng mag-access sa mga social services that the government can provide. So we also have Republic Act 52550, which is an act establishing a 10-year training program for teachers of special and exceptional children in the Philippines, and of course the appropriation of funds thereof. So ang luma-luma ng mga batas na to, siguro it is just a matter of creating awareness to the people na we have these laws. Okay, so we also have this Presidential Decree number 603 series of 1974. So panahon pa to ni President Ferdinand Marcos, or the Child otherwise known as the Child and Youth Welfare Code. that defines special categories of youth including yung mga ating persons with disability. So, there are a lot of laws already given to these persons with disabilities, pero yung ano natin kasi dito, yung end purpose for these laws is to include them in our in our community, kasi feeling nila kasi na they are being disregarded. So parang nakakasakit naman ng damdamin na yung ating mga persons with disabilities are, 'di ba, yung they are being segregated. Okay, meron pang yung mga there is what we call yung parang they have that fear to going to to school because of possible discrimination. So, but when you tingnan mo, when they have already included them as part of the school, na meron na nga, di ba, nakaka-amaze to hear someone who is blind who was able to pass the bar exam. Okay, so parang, including them in the society will let them do better academically and socially. Okay, in an inclusive setting rather than separating them, okay, or segregating them in the society. Okay, so and also that would create also we will also be able to develop that relationship with them and prepare these people with disabilities, okay, a life in the mainstream. Okay, so hindi na sila matatakot na despite having that disability, they can also still live a normal life. Okay, so yun naman ang ating goal. See, before, di ba, when you talk about someone with disability, parang sa tingin natin ay in our families, parang siya yung obligado kang you will diba? You understand what I mean. Hindi ko na kailangang pang sabihin. You know what I mean.
Even though adatirang kaptibagida with this law and presidential decree issued by government, parang nabibigyan din sila ng special attention, and they must be given special attention as a way of showing our nobleness to them in spite of their disabilities. Now, the question tayo may panggap iti dito, Abogado. At this point, being an active board member, I suppose you are board member iti Philippine Association for Intellectual Disabilities. At dada ka dito makikita nga support iti gobyerno para kanyada nga kas may ipakita nga podpod no nga panang iti importansya kadakwada nga mayalubog karito nga paglimtigam na nga niyat nag iti gobyerno tayo.
Okay, so umuna diti dito nga main focus mi sir gapo ta intellectual disability aya. So although there are other forms of disabilities, kaya lang moving forward, we started with intellectual disability through this PAFID, okay, incorporated. So eto naman, it's kasi when you talk about intellectual disability, it is a lifelong condition, okay, that ng isang tao with significant limitations in their cognitive functioning. Kasi meron siyang mga kulang, okay, kulang sa tamang pag-iisip, di ba? Intellectual disability. So, kulang lang yun eh. Nagkulang lang. So, kailangan lang ng tamang mainstream. Yung yung term namin is mainstream mo yan eh. Hahasain mo lang yung kanilang tamang pag-iisip para sila ay magkaroon din ng normal na pamumuhay. So, with the law, ano ba kasi ang benefits that are provided for in the law? So we have Republic Act 10754 expanding the benefits and privileges of persons with disability. So ano ba ang sinasabi ng batas? So pag titingnan mo, the person with disability should have the following benefits or entitlement under the law. Unang-una yan, yun nga yung nasabi natin before na meron silang 20% discount and exemption from the value-added tax. Okay, so in the sale of goods and services for the exclusive use and enjoyment of availment of their being member of the PWD. So meron silang ganyan. So yung halimbawa pupunta sila para manood o to avail services of a hotel. So meron silang discount that as provided for in the law. So meron din silang mga submission sa kanilang pagpunta sa mga sinehan, concert halls, pananood sa mga circuses and carnivals, meron din sila dyan. Yung mga pagbili nila sa mga drugstores, kaya parang sa senior citizen din na may mga benefits silang naibibigay in the form of discount. So hopefully with this awareness through this radio program, yung ating mga tagapakinig na merong mga negosyo na magbebenta sa ating mga PWDs ay meron they are entitled to these types of discount. So ang tanong siguro natin, sir, kami yan binanggit sa batas na to, yung RA 10754. So nandyan yan. So meron ding sa mga fare for domestic travel, medical and dental services. Okay, sa mga fare for land transportation travel, may mga funeral and burial services. Okay, upon death of the PWD. Okay, so mga educational assistance. So maraming na-mention. Okay, even sa pag-secure ng kanilang mga government clearances. Okay, so there are these types of privileges that are accorded to by law.
Mhm.
So meron din silang mga incentives that are provided for in the law. So marami. Ang tanong lang natin siguro is how will you be able to access these PWD benefits? Okay, so pangatanong ng iba, ano ba yung mga sino talaga yung considered to be persons with disability?
And
So, yung sa batas naman,
ada ti reaksyon nga naawat ti abogado, and in that situation do you see the need for a representative of persons in disability just like party list representatives?
Oo.
Oo,
Maganda yun eh. Actually, meron yan, ba? Parang meron akong naalala yung COMELEC commissioner na si Rowena Guanzon yata. If I remember it right, si Commissioner Guanzon yata eh. Isa doon sa mga advocate of these persons with disability. Parang meron yata yan. So hopefully she would really have that Congress na to create more laws giving more yung tawag yung benefits to these persons with disability. So rather than we look at them as a liability to the society, but we look at them more as an asset. So nakakaano lang, siguro we just have to create awareness na despite there are people who became successful despite having this disability. 'Di ba? Meron ngang BS Mathematics graduate from Ateneo na graduate siya as summa cum laude despite being blind. Okay, so yun nga yung isa pa yung 'di ba, yung nakapasa sa bar na blind na using the braille system just to be able to and answer. So nakakawis hear those stories na despite having those very extreme disability, they were able to succeed in life. Okay, so yun lang yung talaga nating gusto nating iparating ngayon, na we the law already have we already have these laws to protect these people with disabilities. So tayo naman, okay, we have to respect those rights provided for in by law to those people with disabilities. Okay, so yun lang yun. Kailangan natin ng kanilang suporta. So dapat wag nating isipin na we support them. It's our obligation to our family. Hindi lang yun. Kasi ito ay meron din talaga silang karapatan na binibigay ng batas. So yun lang yun. Okay? Na kailangan nating i-respect.
And in that situation, Abogado, do you see the need for the establishment of exclusive school for them? Or for them?
Actually, meron ng, di ba, yung nabanggit natin kanina through Republic Act 11650. So, there is what we call, there is now a mandate of the law to establish this what we call inclusive learning resource centers for children with disabilities in all school districts. So, this was new to us because it was signed into law by then former President Rodrigo Duterte. So, yun. Although it's then hopefully yung ating mga schools are, I know for a fact, they are more aware of this because they are into sa school administration, alam yan ng DepEd. So, hopefully, moving forward to that, there should be proper appropriation of funds in order to achieve this goal na magkaroon ng inclusive learning resource centers for persons with disabilities in all school districts.
Okay, so as to siguro get all these benefits given by government through this law like Republic Act 11650, adda ka diti organisasyon dito'y children with disability tapno iti kasteget mabalin niya na ornos para kadakwada di pa nga avail da dito nga benepisyo baben iti panang organisar da iti grupo da nga mangidanom iti gobyerno kadito nga kasapulan na nga ited ti gobyerno kadakwada agsipod ta dami ti paglintigan na nga may ited kadakwada dito nga benepisyo.
Okay, sir. So actually dagiti as of this time all what I can remember is that yung mga organization na to ay more on non-government organization. So yung mga tawag nito, yung mga nakakakilala sa akin, akala nila daw yung matatanggap ko dito sa pagiging regional coordinator ko ng isang non-government organization. The answer is no. This is a non-government organization, to make it clear. Na parang it's more of an advocacy or it's already part of our helping the community. So because we have this what we call influence, kasi unang-una meron tayong knowledge sa batas, and then we have this kind of free legal service na through education, legal education in the radio. Kaya we use this platform in order to spread yung ating kaalaman, lalo concerns on intellectual disability na iparating sa ating mga tao na we really have to respect them. Kasi minsan yung mga tao, 'di ba, judgmental yan eh. 'Di ba? Palibhasa yung mga taong may mga kapansanan, particularly those intellectual disability. Parang akala natin mahina lang talaga siya. Okay, na hindi siya nakakaintindi. We do not know na it's because we do not have the capacity to have them subjected into test. Kasi wala tayong kapabilidad dito sa Pilipinas. Pinag-iisipan na lang natin na ang hina-hina ng tao na yan, ganyan. Yun pala, meron pala talaga siyang kapansanan. Okay, particularly dito sa aming ina-advocate sa True PAFID Philippines Incorporated na yung pagkakaroon ng intellectual disability. So, and sir, sa ngayon kasi, we are more of a non-government organization. Non-government ang mga to. Okay, na we spend our weekends, okay, in order to perform our. So, yung mga nag-iisip na it's because parang yumayaman tayo sa ganito na activities, the answer is no. It's more of our community community service. Okay, so yun lang ang gusto nating liwanagin. But then again, yun nga, maraming klaseng association, sir. Yung mga tao, yung mga, shall we say, yung mga merong mga kapansanan ganyan, lapitan nyo lang yung ating mga DSWD para kayo ay mailink sa organization where are giving these kinds of support system. Like in our case, member ako ng Philippine Association for Intellectual Disabilities Incorporated. So yung mga merong problema sa may kapansanan sa larangan ng intellectual disability, so pwede nyo kaming lapitan.
Okay, in regard to that, attorney, the text message that we received, since this is an NGO, this is an NGO funded organization, do we have office that we could possibly coordinate just in case? Kunan rito at dan sa kay abroad dito Apo abogado please.
Yes sir.
Sumbatam
Actually
tanto nga portion
wala
na.
nga kaming office to speak of, yung physical office wala. So we just have to lang nila, i-approach nila yung aming they just have to approach through our Facebook page. Merong Facebook page ang association na to. So you can just approach us, pwede ka naming isali sa aming GC. Okay, so especially those who are educators. Kasi ang nito, yung association na to are more focused on creating awareness to the public. So ang ginagawa namin actually sir is to target first our educators, those who are involved into the Okay, so yung involved educating, okay, or yung ating mga teachers or special education sila yung mga tina-target namin para sila ay magkakaroon ng karagdagang kaalaman, okay, through international networks. Kasi etong association na to, meron ng connections abroad. Kasi eto sa atin, yung when you talk about disability, bagong-bago sa atin ito. Kasi in the past, we look at it more as a sickness. Diba? Na hindi na siya pwedeng gamutin, ganun. Pero ngayon kasi, yung advocacy, like for example, itong intellectual disability, ang goal nito is to make those people who have intellectual disability to be mainstream into a normal life situation. So yun ang and this is something new to us because in the past when you have this ang nasa isip na lang natin is forever kang aalagaan ng iyong pamilya. So
okay,
ngayon
we will further discuss about these benefits that we could offer karigiti persons with disability. Babayan karigiti advocacy tayo as Board of Director ti Philippine Association for Intellectual Disabilities. Kalpasan man pa diti palagip tayo mani pa diti technical studio.
Sika Ken Tilinteg. Aksyon! Radyo!
Usapang pangkalusugan by iCure Coffee. Kalusugan mo, protektado.
Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Star Wax Wax. Star Wax Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakintabin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax, the #1 floor wax. Adaan waterproof formula. Sibukan man itinanong, nagsubliti sila pititatar.
Star Wax Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Narito na ang mga nakasubok ng iCured Coffee 18-in-1 at iCured 750mg capsule.
Ako po si Danilo Valera, taga Dolores Abra, 38 years old. Mataas po ang aking uric acid at hirap ako sa pagtulog sa gabi dahil sumasakit ang aking mga kasukasuan. Narinig ko sa radyo na magandang panlinis sa loob ng katawan ng iCure Capsule 750mg. 1 week pa lang akong gumagamit, umayos na ang aking pagtulog at naging normal ang aking pagdumi nung sinabayan ko ng pag-inom ng iCured Coffee 18-in-1. Kaya kayo mga kababayan ko, hindi kayo magsisisi sa pag-inom ng iCured Coffee 18-in-1. Maganda siyang panlinis ng katawan.
Kaya bili na ng iCured Coffee 18-in-1 at iCured 750mg capsule.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye dumit mancha. Hello Pride Bar Blue. Isang laban lang yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Naglipa na ang mga papaya soaps. Napansin nyo ba mga girls and guys? Aminin, gusto nyo rin pumuti. Sa dinami-dami ng papaya soaps na makikita nyo sa groceries, may isang namumukod tanging White Rose Papaya. Mula sa White Rose, dahil hindi lang papaya extracts ang ingredient nito, meron ding vitamin B3. Nakikita ito sa mga mamahaling mga serums na kilalang nagpapabilis ng pagpapaputi ng balat. Kaya naman ang White Rose Papaya, clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days. With regular use, papaya puti, papaya fast. Yan ang White Rose Papaya.
Bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. At narito ang mga proof of purchase of POP na pwede mong gamitin para sa iyong mga entries. 3 sachets of Pride Powder 40 grams or 1 pouch any size of Pride Powder or 1 wrapper of Pride Bar 400 grams or 2 wrappers of Pride Bar 100 grams any variant. 1 box of Star Wax Floor Wax any size, any variant. 1 box of White Rose Papaya Soap any size. 3 sachets of Charm Fabcon 30 ml or 1 pouch of Charm Fabcon any size, any variant. 1 wrapper of Shield Bath Soap 60 grams or 1 box of Shield Bath Soap any size, any variant. 2 sachets of Smart Dishwashing Liquid 50 ml or 1 pouch of Smart Dishwashing Liquid or 1 label wrapper of Smart Dishwashing Paste any size, any variant. 3 sachets of Unique Toothpaste 10 ml or 1 box of Unique Toothpaste any size, any variant. Sali na sa bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. See posters or visit our Facebook page for details. Promo period is from January 7 to March 8, 2024. Per DTI Fairtrade Permit number FTEB 182685 series of 2023.
Sa panahon ngayon, ikaw ba'y sigurado? Ikaw ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng patibay, i-shield mo.
Shield Bat Soap. Matay di 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believed by eksperto iti Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado,
i-shield mo. Pamilya'y protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bat Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. For everything that's true, choose what's true to you. Dahil ito ang GSM Blue. Choose what's true to you. Kasama ang GSM Blue.
Try the true flavors of Mojito, Margarita, Gin Pomelo, and Light Gin. Drink responsibly.
iCured Coffee 18-in-1. iCured Coffee 18-in-1.
Magandang araw, ako si Sefa Galang, taga Cabugao, Ilocos Sur.
Dati po akong nahihirapan sa pagtulog at hirap sa pagdumi. Inirepair po itong iCure 18-in-1 ng kaibigan ko at sa loob lang ng 3 araw na pag-inom ng iCure 18-in-1 ay bumalik ang aking magandang pagtulog at naging normal din ang aking pagdumi. Kaya salamat sa iCure 18-in-1.
iCure Coffee 18-in-1.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Action!
Radyo! San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Sarap. Laging kasama.
This time check is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Daming gusto ako mawasak. Bakit inom nagtutulong sa pagwala? Mag-Red Horse Beer, magwasak. Ang bilib sa sarili, wag ibagsak. Ang galing ang dapat itulak. Wag padala sa daming talak. Hayaan mo silang pumutak. Sa katutak na pangarap, wag i-park. Wag wasak, maniwala, magtiwala. Inumin ng tama. Wag wasak, tayo, sama-sama. Lakas ng tama, pero di wasak. Red Horse, extra strong. The number one, beer ito ang tama.
Drink responsibly. Balik-balikan ng swabing astig. Tamang astig. Lakas ng tama pero di wasak. Red Horse Beer. Drink responsibly.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ako si Christian James, 22 years old at kasalukuyang naninirahan sa Rojas, Isabela. Nais ko lang ipabatid sa inyo ang bisa at kagalingang nakuha ko sa paggamit ng iCure products. Matagal ko nang dinadanas ang sakit na asma. At tuwing dadalahikin ako ng panghihina at hirap sa paghinga, kinakailangan ko pang gumamit ng mga inhaler para lamang maibsan ang ganitong uri ng sakit. Pero nang subukan kong gumamit ng mga produkto ni iCure, lalo na ang kanilang iCure Supreme Coffee, kasabay ang pag-inom ng iCure capsule, nabawasan na ang aking panghihina. Hindi ko na kailangan pang bumili at gumamit ng iba't ibang klaseng inhaler na kung susumahi talagang magastos. Kaya mga kababayan, bata man o matanda, well recommended ko ang produkto ni iCure, lalo tigit ang kanilang iCure Supreme Coffee at ang kanilang iCure capsule.
Formulang nagpapalakas ng katawan, Doc F. Fulvic Minerals, food for the cell.
Nasubukan ko kung minsan ako'y nasugatan ng year dito sa aking palad. Ang ginawa ko po ay pinapatakaw lang ng pulbit. Napakabilis maghilom ng sugat. Sa ramdam ko ay napakaganda po sa katawan. Ako'y maagang magising, nakakapagtrabaho. Kung masyadad ko ngayon, ako'y nag-aaral pa si Palayan. Gusto ko rin ko po, 6 na patano ang gulang.
Pruweba sa kaepektibo ng Fulvic Minerals ng Doc Alternativo. Ang Fulvic Minerals exclusive na mabibili sa Doc Alternativo branch.
Sa Lawag City, matatagpuan sa General Segundo Avenue, Barangay 13, Bacara Road National Road, in front Macdo, Bacara Road.
Bukas alas 9 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Doc Alternativo para sa herbal at natural na lunas.
Manipot, iti number 1, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Gasta no Smart iti Dishwashing Paste. At a double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing iti sebo ken bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis kada pulagi. Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World class quality.
ACS.
bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. At narito ang mga proof of purchase of POP na pwede mong gamitin para sa iyong mga entries. 3 sachets of Pride Powder 40 grams or 1 pouch any size of Pride Powder or 1 wrapper of Pride Bar 400 grams or 2 wrappers of Pride Bar 100 grams any variant. 1 box of Star Wax Floor Wax any size, any variant. 1 box of White Rose Papaya Soap any size. 3 sachets of Charm Fabcon 30 ml or 1 pouch of Charm Fabcon any size, any variant. 1 wrapper of Shield Bath Soap 60 grams or 1 box of Shield Bath Soap any size, any variant. 2 sachets of Smart Dishwashing Liquid 50 ml or 1 pouch of Smart Dishwashing Liquid or 1 label wrapper of Smart Dishwashing Paste any size, any variant. 3 sachets of Unique Toothpaste 10 ml or 1 box of Unique Toothpaste any size, any variant. Sali na sa bagong taon, bagong milyon 2024. See posters or visit our Facebook page for details. Promo period is from January 7 to March 8, 2024. Per DTI Fairtrade permit number FTEB 182685 series of 2023.
Pilit with Batang San Miguel. Ilabas! Magkwentuhan tayo. Pilit na, ilabas mo. Makikinig ako. Pilit na, ilabas ang kwento. Mag San Miguel tayo. Pilit na, ilabas mo. San Miguel de Pilsen, sarap laging kasama.
Drink responsibly.
Oh, lats ngayong Valentine's, ilabas! At least may Pale Pilsen ka this time. Mag-beer call with San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Drink responsibly. Action! Radyo! Come with me to Sunshine City. You can stay a while, it'll make you smile. Doing something worthwhile in Sunshine City.
DZJC 747 kHz sa AM band ng inyong mga pihitan.
Aksyon Radyo!
Di kakaiso ng estasyon ti radyo, adumdumngeg kada kayo.
Dami naming komersyal sa programa namin ni Attorney El Rene Yoquid Castro. Para iti programa ito yung asikakem tilenteg. Oras ito yun alas 3:21.
Dating oras kasaksaw ka na kayo ni Doc Herbal Coffee. Available 9-in-1 Insulin Plus and 21-in-1 with collagen and glutathione.
Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Usapang pangkalusugan, may iCure Coffee. Kalusugan mo, protektado.
Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakintabin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax, the #1 floor wax. Adaan waterproof formula. Sibukan man iti dadong, agsubliti sila piti datar.
Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max, max, max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS, goodbye to me, Mancha. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Pride Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, Mancha. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
iCure 750 mg. Narito ang mga patunay sa mga gumamit ng iCure 750 mg.
Ako po si Nicole Artates, taga Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur. May bukol ako sa likod, natakot ako magpa-opera. May nakapagrekomenda sa akin na gumamit ng iCure Capsule 750 mg. Unang linggo pa lang ng paggamit ko ng iCure Capsule 750 mg. Naramdaman ko na ang aking kaginhawaan ng aking katawan. Kaya kayo, subukan nyo nang gumamit ng iCure Capsule 750 mg. Maganda talaga siya.
iCure 750 mg. 12 pesos lang. Bili na!
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold, makabloom sa charm. Walang amoy kulong, kahit sampay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Naglipa na ang mga papaya soaps. Napansin nyo ba mga girls and guys? Aminin, gusto nyo rin pumuti. Sa dinami-dami ng papaya soaps na makikita nyo sa groceries, may isang namumukod tanging White Rose Papaya. Mula sa White Rose, dahil hindi lang papaya extracts ang ingredient nito, meron ding vitamin B3. Nakikita ito sa mga mamahaling mga serums na kilalang nagpapabilis ng pagpapaputi ng balat. Kaya
Hello?
naman ang White Rose Papaya, clinically proven magpaputi in
Hello?
as early as 7 days. With regular use,
Hi, sir.
papaya puti, papaya
Hello?
fast.
Yes.
Yan
Hi,
ang
sir.
White Rose Papaya.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng ating virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bat Soap. Matay di 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believed ng eksperto iti Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado,
I-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bat Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Sikang Ken Tilinteg.
Okay, 25 na minutos ti oras tayo nga alas 5. Kagailan, tikado na iti commercial stop po. Iti programa ito nga si Kakem Tilinteg. But before nga agsubli na Attorney Castro, ibasa tayo na po iti reactions. Yes, Attorney, please include our school to your advocacy so that we can serve more learners with disability. Kuna ni Yofresino Romero Factores. Kuna pa ni Edwin Regadi, Attorney Kid, my idol, LMK. Ano nga ito LMK? If you aware about politics, kuna na. Medyo hang ko mag-comprehend di jay, kaya't nakasawem na. May Akuba, great job po, Attorney Kid Castro. Likewise to Sir Lando. God bless po, kuna na. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Attorney, for enlightening the listeners about the benefits of these persons with disabilities. Kunapay ni Yofresino Romero Factores. 4 minutes na lang, Apo. Baka mabalbalin itong 2 hours to iti programa ta, Attorney. Tapno we could tackle more issues involving si Kaken Tilinteg. Attorney, please, siguro last message for this. Gabuta, adapigayam dito kung nanagapta. Attorney, that is for the education of persons with disability. How about hospitalization? Are they not included in the law? Kung nanapin dito
Okay, so actually meron yan sa batas. Nakabanggit yan sa batas. Kaya nga we encourage to have this those that are defined or within the definition with disability, tingnan nyo na lang, i-google nyo kung you are included under this na to procure an ID card. Kasi yung ID nyo will also help you in accessing these services provided for in by law. Okay, so including yung mga medical treatment. So merong yang binanggit sa batas. So basahin nyo lang yung procure lang kayo ng ID and then you use that. Okay? So marami yan kasi na binanggit sa ating section 32. Section 32 of RA 10754. Maraming binanggit doon na mga benefits which include mga medical services para sa ating mga PWDs. Kaya lang kasi, yun nga sir, in-emphasize lang ngayon ng batas na to is particularly, actually this is a landmark law kasi it create awareness and also give chances for these people with disabilities to have access to government services. Kasi before, like ngayon sir, di ba, ang naririnig mo lang non-government organizations like us, Ngayon, hindi na. Minamandato na ng batas na ito na magkaroon ng mga obligasyon ang ating mga public agencies and schools to provide early intervention, appropriate education, and support services to the 5 million Filipino children and youth with disabilities, particularly addressing to their educational requirements and needs for them to be effective and successful in inclusive learning environments. So hopefully today they will become aware of their role, okay, in establishing this what we call inclusive learning resource centers in their respective school districts. Okay, so yun lang yung pinaka-goal natin today. Siguro yung mga iba na simulan na rin, mas alam pa nila ito. Kaya lang sa ating mga kababayan na hindi alam ang tungkol rito, so ngayon alam na nila. So alam na rin nila kung kanino sila mag-seek ng assistance for this. And then I encourage yung ating mga practitioners under this yung mga catering to those people with disabilities, pwede nyo kami i-contact. For you to become a member, time you will have access to international fora na pwede kayong mag-attend to also tawag nito yung up-to-date yung inyong tungkol sa yung approach, educational approach. Okay? Tao na mayroong mga or the persons with disability. So
Nag-off. DJ. Okay, ano kuan attorney? How are you? Okay, attorney, medyo nadano na tayo 80 oras. Madi signal na? Adamit pala yung picture na. Dito ni attorney. No na pa iti other messages. Okay, pag-ororan tayo pala yung signal ni attorney Kid Castro. I-acknowledge tayo pala iti na dumapay ng buhay-buhay ka na tayo ni Ma'am Nora Faga, ni Edwin Ragadi, May Acoba, Yofresino Romero Factores, and ni Caminda Domingo of the Municipality of Solsona, Ilocos Norte. Madi may isablin? Madin? Adamit pala yung picture na. Baka naka-off. Baka off meten. DJ attorney, naka-off ba yung microphone mo? Awanin? Nag-offen? Abe madimeten. Madipin ang kapagpakada ni Attorney Castro. Kaliti programa tayo. Nag-dati diferensya di linya tayo na po. Madimeten, madin? Ay, so not nag-off? Okay. And iso not nag-off di di microphone na? When no nagsasaon? Okay, attorney, our last message to our viewers and listeners kalati programa tayo, please. Gabot ang madanonan dito oras tayo. Attorney,
okay.
Please.
Yes, sir. So, kadigiti na ayat nga dingdingig. So, if you want to join us in our advocacy, so you can just message me privately, di ba? Privately message me so that you can, especially for those mga practitioners natin, for you to be able to have an updates about the law, and at the same time yung ating manner of teaching our children or approach on teaching our children with disabilities. So to the people who are also listening, so now that we know na may really have that obligation regardless of people na may disability or not, we have to treat them properly because under the law they are accorded with rights like us. So with that, good afternoon to everyone and have a blessed day to each one of us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you likewise, Attorney, for giving us your time again. Thank you very much. God bless po and good afternoon. And for the information of our viewers also, mabalinti nga kontakin suna po ni Attorney Castro, babem iti Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Messenger, ada isuna po sa jay kita nyo lang iti Attorney El Reneo Kid Ruiz Castro. Available po dito iti social media platforms na ni Attorney El Reneo Kid Ruiz Castro. No dada po dito kayo yung may lawlawag kada kayo, may panggap ti paglimtigam na wenno kayat ti maumanam iti may sang abogado. Dapi po ti law office na jay Barangay Lydia Marcos Ilocos Norte. When iti Development Bank of the Philippines, isuna po at may isang account officer iti Development Bank of the Philippines, ti Lawag City Branch. Okay? Dito nga rin na po tinang abuklam na di programa ti sabali pa parang na with our suking abogado, may isang professor dito Northwestern University, ti Criminal Justice Education and Account Officer ti Development Bank of the Philippines. Siakmet ti kaaksyon nyo next Rolando C. Kinaduato iti Technical Department ni Engineer Nino Kim Asqueta. Mabuhay and good afternoon to everyone.
Sika Ken Tilinteg. Saan a biktima ti panagbalin nga ignorante itilinteg? Amwen ti kalintegan ditoy. DCJC Action Radio iti Sika Ken Tilinteg.